Hello everyone, so this is Jim from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video we would like to share how many cable connector inside behind the system of the 135i series. This is the BMW Couple 2011. We already removed the parts and you can see another video how to remove it. Now we already removed the connector, and this is the bottom CD deployer, which when you remove you see the name like this. Okay, everything is in working order, no problem. Now what we want to count is the connector and cable behind the bottom section first, which actually is standing for one big quad lock cable over here, and behind it has one fiber optic cable. Okay, so that's the main cable, and we have one black, one blue, one pink, and another one. And another one is the color here, light gold. Okay, so 4 of the small connector and one big quad lock connector at the bottom, and on the top you have 2 other connector. One is the pink cable here, which is the one with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you definitely know what this one is. Okay, and this is another cable connector from the top LCD screen. So overall, that's all about the cable in 135i 2011 with the top LCD screen Couple BMW 1 series. So thanks again for watching, and if you want to see how we are doing the job with the final product, staying on top, upgrade new LED quad screen and the new system CarPlay thing, just look at another video soon in our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to click on subscribe button. Thank you.